For me, my initial impressions of the Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony products are high quality, great finish, and every year they keep on improving on their products.
My first time try Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony, you just want to install more because these two brands have skill inside compared to other brands. Yeah.
Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi sama aku Mindy di channel YouTube-nya Audio Plus Indonesia. Sebagai brand audio mobil yang sudah go internasional, Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony kini sudah memiliki distributor resmi di berbagai negara. Nah, malam ini kita lagi ada dinner dengan beberapa distributor Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony internasional kita. Nah, kita akan ngobrol langsung dengan dua distributor Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony dari Hong Kong dan juga Filipina. Yang pertama, kita akan ngobrol dengan distributor Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony dari Hong Kong, di mana beliau ini adalah seorang anak muda yang baru saja bergabung menjadi distributor sejak tahun lalu.
Hello, I'm Nick Tan. I'm from Hong Kong. I'm working in Daishanka Audio Limited. Okay, first I see this brand, the product is a fuse and only amplifier. And I know this brand from the start is only, on Crescendo only have stuff from amplifier. There's not much brand start only one kind of product. So I think this brand should got something very special inside. Okay, so Crescendo now got many series and different price of amplifier. So all the audio system is about combination. So we can fit many different level of customer what he want. Yeah. Okay, so I think Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony is very good products. Compared to other brand, only the quality is very high, but it's not expensive, and it's more easy to install. Yeah. My plan is you can see Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony in all big or small car audio shop in Hong Kong. Okay, so same as me, once my first time try Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony, you just want to install more because these two brands have skill inside compared to other brands. Yeah.
Nah, itu dia obrolan kita dengan distributor Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony dari Hong Kong. Sekarang kita akan beralih ke interview berikutnya dengan distributor internasional pertama yang sudah bergabung sejak tahun 2015, yaitu distributor Filipina. Langsung aja yuk kita tanya-tanya.
Okay, I'm Alisson de Ocampo. My company is Ginza Audio Concept from Philippines.
And I'm Arwin de Ocampo.
We have started since 2000 until now.
So that's around 15 years. And for me, my initial impressions of the Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony products are high quality, great finish, and every year they keep on improving on their products. The specific characteristics of their products is top quality and then high specifications. So it is great for using in mid to high-end systems. So that.
The advantage is the component compared to other brand, maybe it's better and good quality. The sound quality also very good.
The future plan is to expand to more dealers and across regions in the Philippines.
Keep selling more Crescendo.
Maybe tell them that Crescendo and Harmonic Harmony have top-notch quality, so they can sell more and promote the products.
Nah, setelah ngobrol bareng dengan distributor Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony dari Hong Kong dan Filipina, mereka mengatakan bahwa Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony bisa diterima di kedua negara masing-masing karena produknya yang top quality untuk kompetisi audio mobil dengan harga yang affordable. Buat teman-teman yang tertarik dengan produk Crescendo dan Harmonic Harmony bisa langsung hubungi kami di Instagram atau datang langsung ke authorized dealer kami.